I plugged in the adapter to Honda Accord 2004. I cannot change tracks from controls. The phone works just like earphones. I can change tracks only from the phone. The sound quality is very bad. The volume, maximum volume, you can hear me. Now I put FM. Back to the volume is too slow, and I cannot control from my buttons. I can control the phone from my audio. So now I'm trying to put my flash. Here is the flash. And I'm trying to change some disc. Some modes. The disc 1 is the root from flash. Here is few songs, but nothing works. So this stuff is only like AUX cord, like earphones for some devices, but it's not adapter control, USB control or phone control. It's like a simple cord for $1.